So welcome to video 5 of the Ransomes Ajax 1952-53 lawnmower restoration. Now, if you saw the last video, you'll see that we were cleaning the roller holders for the front roller. Now, if you can zoom in, I'm going to take this out of the drill because I've been, or out of the vice rather, because I've been buffing this with a drill and some polish and an old cloth. You always hold it, if it's metal, hold it in the drill with a bit of cloth because that will protect it. And then we can just come in here, we can see how much better that end bit is. So you need to look down here, cameraman, so we can see how much better that end bit is compared to down here, which is really, really tarnished. Now, this end of the roller here, you can see that I've kept the end of the roller because I know what I'm going to do. When I kind of fit the thing back together, I'm going to put these the wrong way round, and I'll end up having them like that or something. So I don't want to put the wrong one on, it's like that. Now I'm going to take these rollers off, and you can see on here how tarnished this is, and it's just absolutely yucky. And that is going to mean that the rollers they're not turning very well, are they? So we need to get that nice and smooth. Now I've had a little bit of a clean up on this end. Now I've tried all sorts of bits and pieces. I tried a little bit of white spirit on it. I tried a little bit of WD-40 on it, and it's kind of had an effect, but not enough. So what I'm going to do, what I've decided to do, is put it in the drill here. And I don't like using abrasive things, but I think the only solution we've got, because it is 70 years old, is to get a strip of sandpaper, and I'm just going to go like this on it, give it a rub. I'm only doing it lightly. I don't want to take off any more metal than I have to, and I think you should be able to see that rust and everything is starting to come off, and you can see, I think, how much smoother that is. Can you see that? Yeah? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So that is what we are going to do for that roller where it can't be seen, and then we're going to buff these ends and come back and see us soon.